I'm Phoenix. I'm 9. Today we're going to be making Affogato, which is a really nice Italian dessert. Did you know that restaurants charge for this? You can impress your friends with this lovely dessert. It's also a great dessert for coffee and ice cream lovers. Usually, Affogato is only ice cream and coffee. So I'm going to be using ice cream, some whipped cream, some toppings, some nuts, some sprinkles, and so you can put whatever you want on it. You'll need a mug, an ice cream scooper. You can use a spoon as an alternative, and an extra mug for your coffee. Or if you're a kid, you can have some hot chocolate like me. So just quickly add your toppings. I'm just going to quickly add this. So just go like that and then wow. And just add some chocolate topping. Ooh, that looks good. Then just add the rest of your toppings. Add some more topping just to make it really yummy. So just some chocolate sprinkles, some almonds. That looks good. Then just some colorful sprinkles. Whoa. Yeah, that's enough. Wow, that looks great, like really great. Now for the best part, we're just gonna add some coffee, like just a little bit, or some hot chocolate, which makes it the really elegant dessert that it is. Just gonna pour some coffee in strongly and watch the ice cream melt. You can spoon it, you can drink it, or make a combination of both. Or you can add even more toppings. And that's your Affogato dessert done. So this is the kids version, so it's hot chocolate instead of coffee. And so now I'm going to have a taste. That's delicious. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I'd also appreciate it if you could share it with friends and family.